When you need to get signals or power through a barrier while keeping the environment completely sealed, use the new Julus Hermetic Feedthrough Connectors. These high-density, glass-sealed feed-throughs offer the best-in-class hermetic seal with a leak rate of less than 1 × 10⁻⁸ cubic centimeters per second of helium, providing unmatched protection in critical systems. Julus reliably performs across a wide operating temperature range from -55°C up to 250°C and maintains 1 GΩ insulation resistant at ambient, providing peace of mind for sensitive electronics. Featuring compact microheaders for simplified assembly and easy PCB standoffs, Julus makes integration quick and dependable. Julus is designed for industrial, aerospace, space, and military systems where feed-throughs face harsh thermal, pressure, or vibration conditions, and in subsea or pressurized environments that tolerate extreme differentials. When your application demands total integrity, Julus delivers reliability you can count on. Visit Amphenol Aerospace to learn more or request your quote.